Recording in progress.
Hello, mic check. Sir, delay ಆಯ್ತು ಬಂತು. Hello, mic check.
Hello. Mic testing.
Hello. Hello, good morning, everyone. This is for your kind attention. Kindly switch off your mobile phones or to keep them in silent mode. And also it is requested not to clap in this function. Thanks for the cooperation to all.
ನಾವು ಆಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆವಿ ಎಳೆದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Yeah, what it is, yeah. She wants to just told us. Correct. Stay with that, correct. Is it factually correct? So, but what happened? Correct. But what is? How is it? Because I made a team.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceedings?
Please.
I request the chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, to welcome the newly appointed Honorable the Chief Justice.
Honorable Shri Justice Vibhu Bakhru, Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, accompanying judges Bengaluru, Dharwad and Kalaburgi, Shri K. Shashikiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General for Karnataka. Shri K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General, Shri Shanti Bhushan, Venkatesh Karekal, and Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor Generals, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Shri Vinay B. Mangrekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Shri Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Srimati Mahalakshmi Nade, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Shri B.A. Beliyappa and Shri Vijay Kumar Majge, State Public Prosecutor, Shri B.N. Jagdish, Additional State Public Prosecutor, Shri K.S. Bharat Kumar, President, and J.V. Vijayanand, Vice President, Shri Raghavendra Shetgar, Secretary, Shri Veeranna Kumar, C.K. Treasurer, Shri Nagaraj S. Shri Nagaraj S. Joint Secretary and Office Bearers of Karnataka State Judicial Office Association, Office Bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Dharwada, Kalaburgi, and Office Bearers of all others Advocates Association in Karnataka, learned senior counsels, family members of Hon'ble Justice Vibhu Bakhru, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. We have witnessed Honorable Mr. Justice taking oath of office Chief Justice of this Honorable High Court at Raj Bhavan. I feel it is my proud and pleasant privilege to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Vibhu Bakhru as Chief Justice of this Honorable High Court. I called a warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Vibhu Bakhru, who has assumed the office as a Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court on behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and also on behalf of the entire legal fraternity of the state. Honorable Mr. Justice Vibhu Bakhru, you were born in the year 1966 at Nagpur. You had your early schooling at Delhi Public School, Nagpur. After completing his schooling, he enrolled as a student with the Institute of the Chartered Accountants of India and commenced his articles with Thakur Vidyaniketana Company 21/3/1985. You graduated in BCom from Delhi University in 1987. After obtaining degree in the year 1989, you cleared your final examination for Chartered Accountancy for the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. You obtained your LLB degree in the year 1990. You enrolled yourself as an advocate in the Bar Council of Delhi in September 1990. You practiced in the Supreme Court, High Court of Delhi, Company Law Board, and various other tribunals. You practiced both in High Court of Delhi and Supreme Court. You also practiced before Company Law Board and various other tribunals. You were designated as a senior advocate by High Court of Delhi on 28 July 2011. Considering your rich practice, you were appointed as an additional judge of High Court of Delhi on April 17, 2013. You will later become the permanent judge on March 18, 2015. You served as a acting Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. Your vast experience and acting Chief Justice of Delhi High Court was helpful in the administration. You will definitely feel at home at Bengaluru, and your High Court and members of the Karnataka Bar extend your warm welcome to adorn the must amenity seat justice in the state. The relationship between the bar and the bench has the one between the diamond and the gold, in which it is studied, and the combination alone resulted in the beauty and sin of both. You have been very jewelness upgraded, foster and preserve this symbiosis between the bar and the bench, and the need of their concerned rule in the cause of administration of justice. Karnataka High Court has achieved the impeccable record of the Indian judiciary by the immense contribution of the great judges who have adorned the benches of this High Court. The bar wishes your lordship also to set great standards. The Karnataka State Judiciary and Legal Fraternity is fraternity to have you a Chief Justice of Karnataka. Karnataka is a land of beauty and joy. We the people of Karnataka are soft-spoken leader, peace-loving in the abiding citizens. The Kannadigas are tolerant and have great regard the respect of judiciary. We the members of the bar are responsible partners in the task dispensation of justice, and I assure your lordship the Karnataka State Bar Council and the legal fraternity will extend it as a unstandard support in the regard. I once again join the members of the bar, extending the wholeheartedly cooperation in the discharge of your duties. The entire legal fraternity of the Karnataka welcomes you to the highest seat of justice of Karnataka High Court as a Chief Justice with high hopes and exemptions. the language of the justice being universally the barriers of bold and wellnesses language pose on problems. On behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council as well as the legal fraternity of the state, I extended to heartily and an affectionate welcome to you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Now I request the Honorable the Chief Justice to give the reply to the welcome address.
My esteemed sister and brother judges of the High Court of Karnataka, Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala who are present here. Mr. Shashikaran Shetty, the Learned Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India, and other central government advocates, Mr. Mittal Kod, Chairman, and Mr. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Mr. Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Srimati Shweta Ravi Shankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Mr. Beliappa and Mr. Vijay Kumar Majage, State Public Prosecutors, Additional Advocates General, and other government advocates, Srimati Prabha Murthy, President, Indian Federation of Women's Lawyers and other office bearers, Founder President, All India Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, President, Karnataka Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, learned senior advocates and other learned members of Advocates Association, Bengaluru, learned senior advocates from Delhi, Allahabad, and Kerala, Registrar General, registrars, and other office bearers of the High Court, judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen. Yellarigu namaskara. Good morning to you all. I am overwhelmed and deeply honored by the warmth and graciousness with which the Bar Council of Karnataka has welcomed me today. I accept this honor with all humility at my command and with a sense of responsibility. It's a privilege to assume the office of the Chief Justice in a state that has made such enduring contributions to the legal and the constitutional development of our nation. Karnataka has a long distinguished tradition of producing exceptional jurists, scholars, and reformers, men and women who have elevated the practice of law and deepened the ideals of justice. We remember with great pride Justice M. Venkatachalaya, whose stewardship as the Chief Justice of India embodied wisdom, restraint, and dignity. His commitment to human rights and judicial integrity continues to inspire generations. Our sworn allegiance is to the Constitution of India. Our religion is law. The Constitution and our freedom that it guarantees will be sustainable if the institutions on which it rests will not be unsustainable if the institutions on which it rests are weak. It's your faith in this institution that sustains it. It's our job to ensure that this faith is not misplaced. The Bar of Karnataka has earned national respect for its learning, professionalism, and a strong sense of ethics. Your role in ensuring justice is delivered meaningfully, efficiently, and sensitively is indispensable. The bench and the bar are not two sides of a coin. They are collaborators in a shared constitutional mission. In our shared journey, we must also draw strength from Karnataka's rich philosophical heritage. The visionary Basavanna taught us of just society grounded in dignity, equality, and moral courage. His ideals remind us that justice must transcend privilege and reach every corner of society. We also take inspiration from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of our Constitution, whose commitment to social justice and constitutional values remains our guiding light. And in Sir M. Visheshwaraya, we are reminded that public service, whether in engineering, governance, or law, demands discipline, excellence, and integrity. As Chief Justice, I view it as my responsibility not only to protect the independence of the judiciary, but also to strengthen the institution in ways that serve the people better, to reduce the delays and enhance access, to embrace technology without losing human touch, and to ensure that our courts are safe, inclusive spaces for all, especially the marginalized. I'm acutely aware that this cannot be achieved without the support of the bar. I seek your partnership, your counsel, and your candid cooperation. I invite you to work with me not just as officers of the court, but as guardians of public trust in the justice system. Let us continue to build a judiciary that inspires confidence, not through rhetoric, but through fairness, efficiency, and compassion. Once again, I thank the Bar Council for your warm welcome and the honor of your trust. I look forward to working with all of you in the service of justice and the people of Karnataka. Let me assure this bar, if there is any reasonable suggestion or demand, which I'm convinced will better this institution, and I have the ability to execute it, I will. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for concluding of the proceedings.